Hi guys, welcome to CVR Rocket. Today we are having what? This. Roll the intro. Hi guys, welcome back to CVR Rocket, and today in this video I'm going to say about an Android application which I built and developed named hospro, hospital project, and afterwards changed to Awupa because I just want to give this project as an from my side as an initiative, the free medical camp. It was an internship as part of the internship, so I decided to name it as like that. So the code rundown and all the things will be shown in this video, and you can see the icon of that application. You can see the people, patient and plus hospital, so that's it builds like that. So basically what this actually is, so I will explain the whole thing in the code rundown and the working of the application in that setup, and why the basics, the basic idea behind this. I found that people there, the things which were written by the doctors and the people, the pharmacists, who are just typing the medicines are not getting, like, they are not able to read few medicines. So I built this an Android application, dual window Android application. So whatever the doctor prescribes the medicine will be stored in the patient's account, and for that patient account we have so many categories, like for particular date of that particular patient. So this pharmacist will check of that patient of that date what are the medicines, so many particular multiple medicines, all those is prescribed, and he can safely and simply deliver. So I'm just making the process simple using this dual window Android application hospro actually. So the complete setup, the complete how it works and the functionalities will be explained in this code rundown and the project visualization. It has many more features which will be seen in this code visualization, code rundown setup. Whole lot like a theory, idea behind the project and all about the project. Now let's move to some practical stuff. The app preview. The app preview. All those stuff. Let's go a little deep into the app. So start from the application, and first field is like patient name and then address of that patient, and this you can just customize anything for 2 weeks or any field you can give, and just we added that information. Now let's change for add new patient to address to, and that's scroll one, and then add scroll bar field, and you can go inside the patient one details like for particular date, and there's some notes you can give like daily, morning, afternoon, evening, night, like tablets, basically anything. That's what. And next one is date. This is like current date will be selected by default, so let it be. And then you can give for 2 weeks the course time. Let it be say some one, and then medicine 1 and 2, any medicine list you can give, and it will be displayed in that text view. So add date means that information in that record will be saved. Now let's add something and change the date just for testing. So on that date we will add new information by changing this course, week course, and adding 2 more medicines, yeah, like that. So as you can see, added in the what we can see in toast, you'll get toast messages throughout the app, and you can just change that particular message if you type something wrong or you want to change, you need to add something, any CRUD operations. So we have changed the date to 17, update it. Actually the date was 17 and medicines will be added, and we have changed the text to anything. So the date was 17 itself, previous also you can change anything, and then we change the title like anything and medicines added. So we can delete too. We can add notes too. We are now changing to anything, and we will change the date now to 19 in the same month. We will add that some medicines, or we'll change the medicines. We are adding the course of that medicines weeks. As you can see, patient details updated. We can always delete too. And we came back in this first menu. Basically, as I said, this is like dual window, and we can search too by date or by address. As you can see, everything is like real time, so whenever the doctor updates this, here the pharmacist also can update, and he can see those because it's like real time online service. So we need to have net like a permission in our manifest, and you can see the patient 2 details, all those, and we can edit the patient 2 details too. Now let's change the patient 2's name and that scroll bar. So that is like the scroll bar feeling. We can updating, as you can see, patient details updated, and we can obviously delete too. Change to default, and again we can see, you can view all those things, all the menu bars, draws, trace, activities, everything. These are some scripts, and that is like an instance for the real-time database, and for authentication these are some layouts and many more. Linked with real-time database, so as once where somewhere person uploads the data, so other person can retrieve immediately. So that is the case with real-time online database for ensuring the dual window setup. So that was wholesome rapport regarding a hospro Android app. I hope you liked it, and I hope you like this video. Until next time, signing off, CVRR with .close.